Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fill-in grocery haul. It's a lot for a fill-in. I don't know why. We spent $157. That's a bit much for fill-in. We were supposed to just get meat, and then we have all of this. So let's start here with the randomness. This is classic lemonade sparkling ice. This is for my niece. She's like me. We're like ice. So I got that for her. These are Rob's zero Gatorade zero ramen chicken noodle. So this is a chicken flavor, more chicken flavor. This is for like really quick meals. For Jason eats these, and I don't know who else, but I just grabbed them because I was like, for them to have options with their free meals. We got sticky fingers, but I was supposed to do wings coming up. Hooters wing breading, and it says try it on shrimp, fish, veggies, and more. And it said we fix the mix so you don't have to. Blah blah blah. It says just don't forget the sauce. So I went looking for the sauce, and I didn't find the sauce. And everywhere I went, they were out of like fresh wings. And you know I love the fresh wings where you cut them, blah blah blah, whatever. So sometime this week. Why are we doing that? Stop, please. Sometime this week I have to go find wings because that's me meal planning. It didn't work out, but whatever. We're gonna have fish taco this week. So I got some Kit soft tortilla bowl. It's 8 in here. There's 8 of us, so I don't know why I didn't just get one. Rob said, you know, you can't just have one taco, but for real, we don't need 2 tacos. So, but we're going to, you know. More ramen noodle. We have the spicy kind right here. I love these, and I'm not supposed to eat them because if you look at the sodium content on here, you'd be shocked. Look at that. Look at that. 1,280. That's for the whole container. Technically, you're only supposed to have half because it says serving size. And this is not focusing. It says serving size. Where's the serving size? I can't find the serving size on here. 2. See? 2. Serving size 2. I don't know. I know one person that eats 6 of these. Is it 6? Or the 4? 4. So can you imagine the amount of sodium you can consuming when you eat 4? Jesus be a shield. So I got 2 of those. I don't know the person personally, but I'm just saying there's people that eats more than just one of those. So I used to, until I realized the danger that lies within those things, and I was like, no, I don't even like eating one now. Onion powder, but they're so good. They're so addicting. I think it's crack. There's crack in the noodle. Garlic powder. Salt is not crack, okay? Shady Brook Farms ground turkey. Rob picked this up. I don't know why. We have Planters honey roasted peanuts, 10-pack. That's Rob. He's trying to eat a little bit more healthier. And then the girls and I are going to have Skinny Girl. We're trying to, you know, watch our figure, so we're gonna have Skinny Girl popcorn. Yeah, about that. No, not really. Beef broth. Rob is so expensive. Extra virgin olive oil. I don't know why we couldn't just stick to vegetable oil. Like, you know, he always says, have you ever seen vegetable make oil? Whatever. We have fanciness over here. Peppercorn medley grinder. You know, I don't know. I kind of wish I could take this off so I could buy the refillable one and put in here, because I feel like you don't get a lot for $2, because this was $1.90 something. So I'm going to try to figure out how I can take this cap off because I love the little grinding effect. It makes me feel like I'm fancy. We have coffee over, yeah, we have coffee over here. And this was $1, $1 less. Thank you. This was $1 less than this one because it was broken. And Rob was supposed to put this back. And we ended up buying the two, including the broken cap one. I don't understand Rob's logic. He's like, yeah, we're going to save money, blah, blah, blah. And then he ended up buying two. How did we save money? How? How is this saving money when we purchase? This is like over $7 worth of coffee. We were just trying to spend $4. But this is the bomb. In the Spanish market, they have it for like $8 at Walmart. It's only $4.48. I don't know why they're trying to rip me off. And I saw it the other day. I was like, no. We have mixed vegetable. We have broccoli florets. We have butter because Destiny makes the best cookies ever. I'm going to show you guys. Rob, why are you so... Rob got ghee clarified butter. He said ghee. I thought it was she. Okay, so we got ghee certified butter, and Rob said it's better than butter. So, and this was like $6. Rob balling these days ever since he got, new endorsement on his license. Rob is balling out here like buying ghee. When have you guys ever see us with ghee? Never. We have caramel because my niece got us hooked on cardboard. No, not really. It's styrofoam. So she got us hooked on what are these? Rice cake. These are Rice Crisps. We couldn't find the caramel one at Walmart, so we just picked up this instead. It's supposed to be much healthier. Rob been trying to get cream spinach for the longest time. There's a Jamaican restaurant that we go, and they sell cream spinach. And he's like, you're Jamaican. Why can't you make it? I'm like, I've never heard of it. So, yeah, there's that. We have chicken broth, unsalted, because I put this in my curry chicken, so it has to be unsalted. I have chicken Vienna sausage. I love these things. I would eat a can just by itself. I know I'm a weirdo. And I wanted to try the other ones, but everything else had beef and not beef, pork mixed in with it, and no. We have salt. We have oven roasted. This is for Rob because he's trying to eat a little bit healthier. We should show his belly. Yep, there you go. He got turmeric latte, golden milk. I don't know what this is, guys. He was just in the grocery store just like picking up stuff and just like, oh, this looks good. You should have seen him with his whole cell phone out researching. That's the most annoying thing about Rob when he goes anywhere. As soon as he sees something, his phone come out and he's researching and reading reviews, and we're standing there like, can we please get out of the aisle already? Like, he don't want to shop with us in the same aisle with COVID going around, because we just be standing there for hours, like, and Rob is just like researching, reading all the comments, all the reviews. Oh, this is good, we're gonna try it. Throw it in the cart. That's Rob. This was $2.50 for 3 pounds of mandarins. We have another pack of mixed vegetable. We did talk about this. I didn't find the wings, but hopefully I can do this and put it in the air fryer. I think this would be good in the air fryer. Usually when you bread stuff, it's best to deep fry it because it tastes better. I don't know how this is going to taste in the air fryer. We shall see. We got sardines, fish steaks, and Louisiana hot sauce. This is all we eat around here. We have vegetarian baked beans, Rob's chunk chicken breast for his lunches. We have kidney beans. Got 2 of those. We have the original boca, original chicken veggie patties. And we usually do these for lunches. We have Maddie's cereal. She picked this out. This is Destiny's popcorn again. Of course, it's the skinny pop. We have apple for Rob. We have sweet peas for his lunches. So we just got these. It's easy for him because, you know, he's a truck driver. We have dill pickle kosher spares. I think this is this yours, Janelle, or Destiny? Destiny's. We have more creamed spinach. We have one more skinny pop. I think this is Janelle. Yeah. The girls are obsessed with skinny pop. Ugh. And this is a tilapia for the fish taco that I'm doing sometime this week. We have whole milk. We have chocolate chip. This is Cookie Crisp. This is Janelle's cereal. And then we have Destiny's cereal over here. Cinnamon toasters. Whatever. And then there's more cereal in the pantry for the boys. They still have cereal. And then I got ginger, Sprite Zero, sugar. Because remember, I got all those ginger things. Sparkling ice last week. And Rob drank them all. Yes, he did. He drank all of them. I was so sad. So I got this. It's zero sugar. And it has ginger in it. And I love anything with ginger in it. Like, I'm obsessed. So I got two. Because Rob is going to drink them. And I just need to hide them. Because it'd be sad. It'd be very sad. And then this is LaCroix. This is tangerine for Miss Janelle. So that's it, folks. And then we got a big container of water. Anyways, guys, this is a fill-in grocery haul. It's not a 2-week or anything. This is just fill-in for next week. And then the following week will be the 2-week grocery haul. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.